Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Amazon Prime Video content in MP4 format, which is widely supported and can be played on any device without relying on the Amazon app. Let's dive into the process. 1. Use StreamFab Amazon Downloader. While Amazon Prime Video doesn't natively support downloading in MP4 format, you can use third-party software like StreamFab Amazon Downloader to save videos in MP4 format. Here's how to do it. Step-by-step guide with StreamFab. Install StreamFab Amazon Downloader. Download and install StreamFab Amazon Downloader on your Windows or Mac computer from the official website. Launch the app and sign in. Open StreamFab, then log into your Amazon account within the app. Choose the video. Browse through Amazon Prime Video to find the movie or TV show you want to download. Select MP4 format. Before downloading, select MP4 as your output format. StreamFab supports HD and 4K downloads, depending on the content. Download. Click the download button to save the video in MP4 format. The video will be saved directly to your computer's storage. Transfer to other devices. Once downloaded, you can transfer the MP4 file to any device, like a USB drive, tablet, or smartphone, for offline viewing. Pros: high-quality downloads, up to 4K. MP4 files are easy to transfer and play on any device. Batch downloading is supported, allowing you to download entire seasons of shows. Cons: paid software after the free trial period. Requires a PC or Mac to download the videos. 2. Use Alifsoft Amazon Video Downloader. Another option is Alifsoft, which supports downloading Amazon videos in MP4 format. How to use Alifsoft. Download and install Alifsoft. Get Alifsoft from the official website and install it on your PC or Mac. Log into Amazon. Open the software and log into your Amazon Prime account. Search for content. Browse through the available Amazon Prime content and select the videos you want to download. Set MP4 format. Choose MP4 as the download format in the settings. Download. Click the download button, and the video will be saved as MP4 on your computer. Pros: download videos in multiple formats, including MP4. Allows for high-definition video downloads. Cons: requires a paid license after the trial period. Can be slower compared to other downloaders. 3. Record Amazon Prime Video using a screen recorder. If you prefer a free option, you can use a screen recorder to record Amazon Prime videos and save them in MP4 format. How to use a screen recorder, e.g., OBS Studio. Install OBS Studio. Download and install OBS Studio, free and open source software. Set up recording. Configure OBS to record your screen and select the area where the Amazon Prime Video will play. Play the Amazon video. Go to Amazon Prime Video, start playing the video you want to download, and press record on OBS. Save as MP4. Once the video is recorded, save the file as MP4. Edit if needed. Trim the video and remove any unwanted portions if necessary using a video editing tool. Pros: free option. Allows flexibility in recording content. Cons: video quality may not be as high as direct downloads. The recording process can take time. Conclusion: the best way to download Amazon Prime Video in MP4 format is by using third-party software like StreamFab Amazon Downloader or Alifsoft. These tools let you save videos in MP4 format, ensuring compatibility across devices. Alternatively, you can use screen recording software like OBS Studio if you prefer a free method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your digital content.